Okay, so at this point, we've talked about the Zoom menu in your course. We've talked about Zoom Global, and we've also talked about naming conventions. In other words, how to name your videos or name your meetings so that the video names make sense to students. So let's actually schedule a meeting and record it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to schedule a meeting called How to Record in Zoom. I'm going to schedule it for right now this morning, and I'll come down and I'll click Save. Again, I'm in my global menu. I clicked on Schedule a Meeting, and I named it How to Record in Zoom. Now, if I go to Recordings, you'll notice I don't have a recording of that yet because the meeting hasn't happened yet. But if I go to Meetings, I have that meeting, How to Record in Zoom, and I can start that meeting right now, so I'm going to do that. And my meeting has started. So now that I'm in the meeting, of course, it's telling me that I'm muted. But now that I'm in the meeting, I have a bunch of different features down here on the bottom. And one of those features is the record feature. And when I press the record feature, what's going to happen is it's going to tell every participant in the meeting that I'm about to record. Of course, I'm just working by myself here, so I don't have to worry about that. But if you are working with students, your students will have the ability to opt out of being recorded and they can leave the meeting. You're also going to want to add something to your syllabus if you plan on recording meetings with students. But again, that's something we'll get into later. Right now, let's just click on the record button. And it'll say, do you want to record this meeting or class? And I click continue.
This meeting is being recorded.
And it'll make an announcement, like I said, that this meeting is being recorded, right? So what's going to happen now is I now have the ability to conduct my meeting. Now, if I had my camera turned on, I'd be recording a picture of me. Let me go ahead and turn that on for you so I can say hi. Hello, everybody. And I could turn that off. I could use my picture to actually give a welcome message or send a video, but I can also, in these meetings, record my screen. Now, the way I would do that is I would click on this screen share button, and then I would choose what screen I wanted to share. So I'm going to go ahead and share my desktop. And to record my desktop, all I need to do is click on desktop and click on the button share, and now I'm recording my desktop. Now, what you'll notice is that I'm still in this meeting, so I need to actually go over to my desktop. Maybe I'll open something up on my desktop, like a PowerPoint presentation. I can be recording this, and what's going to happen is it's all going to be recorded in the meeting. Now, when I'm ready to stop my recording, all I have to do is click the stop button, and it'll stop recording.
The recording has stopped.
And then when I end my meeting, what's going to happen is it'll take a few minutes, but Zoom will render this video footage into a meeting that I can then share with students. So let me show you how that works. I'm now back in my Zoom Global account. And if I click over here on Recordings, what you'll notice here is I now have a How to Record in Zoom. And what you just heard was a ding in my email telling me that this How to Record in Zoom has been made. And when I click on it, I have the video right here that I could share with students. And we'll talk about sharing the link with students in a little bit. But right now, remember that if you want to change the name of your video, all you have to do is click on this pencil. So now you know how to record in Zoom.